YouTube relies heavily on metadata, like titles, descriptions, and tags, to understand and categorize your content. So why isn't your video ranking even though it's high quality? Simple, the platform hasn't recognized its potential yet. YouTube SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's how creators tell YouTube what their video is about so it can be shown to the right audience. Without proper SEO, even your best work may stay hidden. Here's what actually helps your video rank title. Use searchable, clickable titles. Example, instead of My Setup Tour, try Best Budget Gaming Setup 2025. Description, fill it with keywords, helpful info, and timestamps. YouTube scans every word. Tags still matter. Use a mix of broad and niche keywords to help YouTube connect your video with others. Thumbnails are your first impression. Make them bold, clear, and scroll-stopping. Engagement signals. Watch time, likes, comments. These tell YouTube that people like your content. A bad video with smart SEO can go viral. A great video with no SEO can flop. The algorithm doesn't know quality until people engage. And for that to happen, they need to see your video first. Want your content to get the reach it deserves? Use clear, keyword-rich titles. Design eye-catching thumbnails. Optimize descriptions and tags. Encourage comments, likes, and shares. Don't just upload, optimize. If this helped, like the video, drop a comment and subscribe for more smart YouTube tips.